forgot about that, didn't I? Yep, I did. Okay. Hi, Clay. How are ya? Just a second. I'm almost ready. Just gotta pop some stuff out. Hmm. Okay, almost done. One more. Oops. Test out the chats. Okay, see something's missing. Okay, my chat's not working, huh? Oh dear. That's not good. Okay, my sources of chat aren't working as adequately as they should be. That's not good. Okay. Copy this. Okay, let me see what I can do here to fix it. Okay. Okay, so it is working in there. I don't know why it's not showing up. Is it showing up on the screen is the question. I see it on the screen, so that means I messed up. Okay, let's see what I can do. Okay, hopefully I don't screw things up this time. I hope. I hope. I really hope. Uh-oh. What have I done wrong this time? Oh, man. My layers aren't working. Okay. Let me think here. I need to check my overlays because something is missing from my layout here. Let me see here. I can see the chat on YouTube, but I can't see the chat on everything else. So let me check my overlays real quick. Let's see here. Oh dear. Okay, here I am, but where is my chat? Okay, I see it on there, but where is it on here? I see it on YouTube, but I don't see it on my main screen. So where's that layer? It might be hiding underneath the base. There it is. Oh, chat. Where are you hiding? Move it up. No? It's there. I need to refresh it, maybe? Refresh the cache, maybe? Let's see. Test. Okay, I see it in there, but then it's not working in there. Yeah, it's so weird. I must have changed my session, I guess. Test again. Weird. It's still not showing up. Where is my chat screen? I saw one that I didn't see both. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, let me see something. Check my vertical screen. Maybe I have it under a different name. All chat single line. Okay. Oh, that's why. Okay, get rid of that junk. All chat single line is the source I need. Browser source. Oh God, there it is. I found it. I found it. Okay. Transfer. Stretch the bounds. Now if I can get it all in here. Hopefully not taking up too much space, obviously. Okay. Oh, come on, man. Don't be a boo-boo head now. A little bit lower. Okay, I think I got it. So I can go and hide myself on this screen. And I should be on the whole screen for everything now. I think. Okay. Now I can see the chat for everybody. Now I can see everything, I hope. Let me do one more test to make sure everything's showing up here. Let's see. YouTube? Yep, YouTube's working. MySpace, are you working? Okay, Lightspace is working. What about Twitch? Okay. All chats are working. I don't know why I had double faces on some of them, but at least it's working. I'll figure it out eventually. Eventually. So I see identify as access and don't breathe you in. Don't worry, I won't. I have a protective layer of shoe fumes that protects me against any outside interferences. Your pronouns are it, air. Okay. Okay, I will take it seriously. Although, if you do get in too close of a proximity to my shoes, then I cannot guarantee your mental or physical safety. That is your only warning. Don't trust my shoes. Ever trust the smell of my shoes. Shoes stink really bad. My shoes stink really bad. My shoes stink really bad. Yeah. And I want to be proud about it. Okay? As you can guess, over the 2 days I was off, I didn't do crap. I actually did do a lot of crap, but I brought back some stuff. I mean, thank you. I got to do a little bit of work on my channel. I got rid of a lot of stuff I didn't really like. I went back to, I actually reverted a lot of stuff to stuff I did like, and actually brought back simple styles and a simple platform, simple layout, so I could actually have more features while not having much space being taken up. One of them, instead of having the image of the game showing up, you do exclamation point game. I hope that works on all the platforms. And it will show whatever the featured game is at the time for a little bit. It should work on YouTube as well, but this will be my first time testing it. That's why this is a testing stream, because I need to leave live for some features to work. So let me test it out on YouTube to see if it works as well. I hope. I've been doing a lot of StreamerBot scripting and layout coding and doing some stuff with Stream Deck and trying to get it to automate a lot of stuff. So let's see. Game, would that work here? We'll see. Cross my fingers. Please work. It works on YouTube. It works on YouTube. I'm so happy. I'm happy it works. I'm happy it works. And I don't know if anyone heard the bad news. I just found out a few minutes ago that the VTube streaming channel, not channel, but the website, VStream, will be shutting down on April 1st. I didn't get to stream on there as often as I like to, primarily because it was a lot of work to set up a stream over there. But yeah, it's no longer going to be open anymore. And this is after I already made the decision to get rid of Kick and Trovo, because those two platforms were really annoying me as well. Not so much community wise, but because I can't get anything to work there, pretty much. Like Trovo, Kick, I haven't been growing at all. In the last several months, I've been at 69 viewers, and the only one who shows up, I think, is you, Quay. You're the only one who shows up in my Kick chat, so I think I'm better off sticking to a platform I'm actually getting some type of traction on. So that's why I'm sticking with Twitch, Livespace, and YouTube, and just gonna keep it that way so my bandwidth will stay pretty steady across all of them. I don't have to worry about hopping across different platforms or anything. As for Trovo keeps sending me all these dire warnings every time my depression stops me from streaming, or I'm scheduled to stream. So they say they're not going to show that I'm planning on streaming to my audience there anymore, because I missed 2 streams due to depression, actually. So I know it's an automated script, but it made me feel incredibly unwelcome there. I didn't like that. And I will say some of the community there was not too welcoming either. In fact, I actually got more toxicity from that platform than I ever got on Kick. And most people would think the reverse because of the environment Kick is fostering there. But yeah, I decided to drop Trovo and decided to drop Kick. So I'm only going to stream on 3 platforms. Twitch, Livespace, and YouTube. YouTube, again, is going to be my exclusive vertical video source. And Livespace and Twitch will still say horizontal. And Twitch will have an extra perk with the secondary audio track, which I have better music than the VOD safe track, which I have playing on YouTube and Livespace. So I'll be able to hear music I like to hear on the Twitch one. So yeah. And sometimes I'll sing along to it, who knows. But beyond that, see, I don't know what's up with Kick. Kick is just not making any sense whatsoever. I never know when. No one really shows up in those chats on Kick. As you just said, they never notified you, and there is an abundance of VTubers there that I just can't really get noticed there. And when I decide to stream outside of the VTuber category, people say I don't belong outside the VTuber category. Like, what the heck? I can chat just as well as the rest of them. I can go to just chatting when I'm actually just chatting. That's exactly what I'm doing. In fact, the only reason I chose to be under the VTuber tag on Trovo and on Kick was because the game I wanted to select wasn't in their database. So that's why I often find myself in the VTuber tag, and I didn't want to be in the VTuber tag. I don't want to be isolated in just that VTuber tag. Seriously. Remember, there was one time I actually searched on Twitch using the VTuber tag trying to find me, and it took me about 30 minutes to actually find out where I was on the listing, of scrolling down and 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 down until I found it. Versus on Livespace, 9 times out of 10 I could look at the front page of Livespace and find me there. Sometimes it's kind of weird, but yeah. YouTube, I don't know what the issue is. I have noticed more people watching me on the vertical version. At one point, I actually did an experiment where I tested the exact same stream, both vertical and horizontal, on YouTube, and the vertical got tons more people watching than the horizontal. No one really wanted to see the horizontal one. I even did a poll, and most of the people who voted on it said they wanted to go for the vertical version there, so that's why YouTube is an exclusive vertical video source. And I fixed an issue with last stream because apparently I slipped in an audio layer that wasn't supposed to go to YouTube. My cool music track was not supposed to be going to YouTube. I'm sorry, because YouTube is a little bit crazy when it comes to music. And even with the when I play DMCA safe music, only DMCA safe music, guess what happens? I still get pinged on YouTube. Like, what the heck? This is supposed to be DMCA safe. What the heck? So yeah, that's why sometimes I'm really paranoid when it comes to streaming on YouTube. But I figured if I just do what I can to archive only the good stuff and just mute out, trim out parts of the stream that has to do with games and such that have infringing audio, which often happens mostly with two games, either the Bandai games is guilty of that, and anything Sony related. Seriously, if I have just one thing from Sony included within anything, whether it's music or anything like that, it mutes out, it destroys the whole VOD, okay? So I can't have anything from Utada Hikaru. I can't have anything from any Sony artist. So I have to be really careful, even when it's a game that might have music from Sony. I can't even play obviously any Star Wars music because the Star Wars music is on Sony records, so that counts too. So Star Wars games, Sony music, all the same, it still gives me a heartache. So yeah, that's why I don't do that anymore. I don't. I know, and that they definitely need to lay back. I'm still trying to recover. I'm not quite at 100%, so I'm not going to be able to play my normal scheduled games yet. I'm hoping I'll be able to do it tomorrow, but I can't really promise it. So I am being really careful not to push myself too much. So I just felt like chatting here and testing out some scripts. So I got the a lot of the main scripts working. I have more sliding down scripts that are actually working now. So instead of actually taking up all this extra space, I have things that slide down now. I know. And I hate to admit it, but Twitch is the actual better one when it comes to integrations and features. Now, Livespace is getting close to that because they just need to add a few more things and it actually will be good. Like, if Livespace can add a separate bot track and streaming bot support, I will be perfect. I will be happy as a client. I will work perfectly for those additions. I really can. Probably some better analytics would be helpful too, because I haven't really seen the analytics on it. I can never tell how many people are watching me on Livespace. Ever. I think that right there, you see the little sliding thing up there? Oh, or down there? Oh, it's not on the screen. Oh, it's down there. It's down there. It depends on the screen you're watching. But on the little sliding thingy, it tells you how many people are watching me, and I think that's my only indication of if someone's actually watching me or not. But I have all three chats merged and combined, so I can see everyone chatting on no matter what platform they're on in a single chat. See, like that. Watch people. Yeah. But still, it happens. I have to adjust bit by bit by bit by bit, bit by bit by bit by bit. And I'm trying to get better dealing with my poison. I have a major poison issue where if I start comparing myself to other streamers, other VTubers, people who are, I guess the best word is gloating about their success, kind of hits me the wrong way and kind of hits me in my motivations. And usually when that happens, that's when I start feeling a lot more depressed and a lot more worthless. So I'm trying my best to train myself not to let that stuff affect me. So that's why I break my own rules. I'm supposed to have a standardized schedule. I'm not even sticking to that right now. Tone down to the BGM. Turn down the music or turn down me? Because I just didn't find out. Let's see. I thought the music was at minus 40 decibels. Okay, so let me see here. I didn't think it was. Wow. I got both have minus 45. Is that better? There's two different music tracks. That's what I'm trying to check. Question is, are you hearing two music tracks or one music track? Okay. How many music tracks are you guys hearing though? Are you hearing music that's vocal or instrumental? That's what I need to find out. If you're hearing vocal, you're hearing the right one. Let me test something out too. Let's see here. Both. Oh no. Okay, hold on. Let's test something out. Okay, I just paused the vocal. Okay, now what do you hear? If I'm right, you should not be hearing anything on the Twitch. If you're still hearing music, then I have a double track. Twitch should be hearing nothing at this time, but YouTube and Livespace should be hearing a different instrumental music. Okay, good. Because that's all I wanted to check, because if I have double audio coming into the same source, that would explain why it's so loud. Because I have the VOD track, VOD tunes playing all of the DMCA safe music right now. And that's actually what should be playing on YouTube and Livespace right now. So that's what I'm hoping is the case. I could be wrong, but that's what the aim is. Where is it? Okay. Okay. But I also need to check to make sure that there's no audio that's vocal coming in from the other channels. Let's see something real quick. Open up YouTube. Uh-oh. Let's see. Hopefully I should be able to see the channel. I'd rather buy WinRare. I have bought WinRare. I'm one of the few people in the world who has bought WinRare. Let me see something. Let me pause the audio real quick. Actually, no. Let's see here. Let me pause real quick. Let me see. Try to make sure that the audio is not coming slipping through on YouTube. I can't hear anything at all in YouTube. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, YouTube is having the Stream Beats music, so that's good. Okay, YouTube is still getting the Stream Beats, so that's good. So I won't be muted on YouTube this time. That's what happened with last night's, or the other night's stream, was the audio on YouTube. I had to scratch the whole VOD because the audio had the wrong track. And you have a lot of copyright pink, so I was not liking that at all. Oh, whoa, what's up? So, yeah. Okay. But pretty much, I just wanted to use this stream to test out all of these scripts I've made and see if they all work. And hopefully I'll be able to do some more designing. Let's see here. I don't know if it's going to be beneficial for me or not, but yeah. Let's see. So, let me test out resprays. Yeah, that's too quiet. Can't tell. Okay. Okay, just gonna assume that I got it right. Actually, let me double check. Let's see. Modify. Lightspace. You should be coming with AudioBot 2. So that should work. Yeah, it's sync so with OBS since that's going to be an official start anyway. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, so that works. Okay, so I guess I'll go ahead and start some script testing here. One of those was to see if I could show the throne. I think it should work on here. Okay, throne. If I choose throne, it should show the throne goal, and then it should go away. So that works okay on Twitch. But what about YouTube? Let's see. Uh-oh. Okay, the script is working. Well, kinda. I don't have the feature showing up here, so let's see here. Let me look at my streamer bot and see what's going on. There's a script missing here. Actions. Okay. Not hype. I need throne. Okay. And my trigger for throne is where? Okay, I gotta go with commands. Okay. Oh, that's why. It's not tied into YouTube. Okay. Okay. Let's test it again. Should work this time. Okay. Because Tron has his own thingy here. Let's see if it works. Right. Okay, there it is. There it is. So the drone command works on YouTube and Twitch. It should probably could work on Trovo and VStream, but like I said, I'm not streaming on either of those channels anymore. So that's kind of sad. I'm just waiting for Lightspace to come along and go ahead and add a StreamerBot support, and it will help me to do it on all 3 platforms. That would be helpful. Okay, what else do I have here? What other scripts did I create? Ko-fi donation. Let's see if I can test that. Coffee dono. Test. It should show both. So it should show the animation over there, and it should show the current goal over there. Okay. Now stabby time. Now I think when I set this up with the stabby stab, whenever Streamlabs, Stream Raiders says that the battle is ready, it's supposed to automatically show the stabby command, as well as a panel with the stabby command. So let's see if that works. Oh, how you doing, Chaos Lord Cake? I'm sorry I missed that. I was on another tab when you said that. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I try to catch everything, but sometimes I do miss things, guys. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I keep missing stuff. So let's see here. Stabby. Oh no, not another update. This is like every freaking day I have to open up Stream Raiders. They're always updating. Jeez. Every time. At least 9 times out of 10. Let's just do an automatic update. Save me time. Woo. Okay, what else? What else? There's a new command for game, I believe, that should work here. Let's see here on YouTube. I know it's gonna work on Twitch, but let me see YouTube. Game. Okay, there it is. YouTube's connections are taking a little longer, but they still work. At least they work. So I got the gain command working. Twitch is about to have an ad. So what I need to have is I need to find an audio file that used to play after these messages. We'll be right back. And so I can put it underneath the ads. But I think that's only gonna apply to Twitter. Not Twitter, but Twitch. If only I could set that up to only show up on the Twitch audio. Perhaps. Oh. I got an idea. I got an idea. Just like I have my audio set up to play on a certain channel that's exclusive to Twitch, I can set up the ad alert to also be on that same channel that's exclusive to Twitch. That will work. Once I find out when the heck I put the MP3 file. Otherwise I have to record it all over again. I don't want to do that. That's too much work. Too much work. Okay. Let's see what else. I think I set up merch test here. I think it's up here. Type MERCH-002, I believe, works. Does it work? I don't think it's working. Kinda. Well, it works, but it doesn't work the way I want it to. So, what am I doing wrong? Maybe I had the title wrong? Layout 7 merch. Oh, the merch display wasn't showing. Okay, I need to add a feature into that script to show merch display. Okay, so unless I have, what if I have merch display always showing? Because it's supposed to show this and then that, like that. I think. Let me think. How do I have it set up in the script? That's what I want. I want to actually set it up where every time somebody says merch, it'll show a big picture of the merch, and it will also provide the data that you see in the chat there. That's what I wanted to do. Just gotta figure out what I did wrong. Visibility state, the merch image is clear. Okay, the Twitch announcement is clear. YouTube message is there. I guess I could delete the VStream message since I'm not using that. And I don't need the Trovo one anymore, so I'll delete those two. Yes, don't tell me that. So goodbye Trovo and goodbye that. Oh, I never finished hiding everything. I never finished the script to actually hide everything. Okay, so let me copy. Let's see if I copy the script. Oh, and it's not showing up on the vertical either. I still gotta do that too. I got a lot more work to do, don't I? Holy freaking macaroni and cheese! Having trouble. How am I gonna pull this off? Well, let's get it to work on the horizontal first, and then I'll see if I can find a way to place it on the vertical. Question is, where in the hell am I gonna fit on the vertical? I don't know. I'm not sure. Let's see here. Can I copy that? Copy sub action. Paste sub action. Edit sub action. Oh dear. Oh, I don't need to retrieve the text. Remove that. Okay, those are just messages. Okay, so I just need to hide the merch image. I also need to hide the background. So let's see. Let's copy that. Copy that image. Copy. Paste the sub action. Modify that sub action to show the layer for layout 7 merch. Make that visible. And move that to the top. Now copy that. Paste it again. This time I'll make it hidden. Now if I use those same actions and copy it, I should be able to apply that same format on all the merch images, I hope. But I still need to do this for... I'm smarter than I have to, don't I? Okay, okay. I got this. I got this. I got this. Okay. Okay. So, if I'm doing this from a different source, and I could go back to my vertical source, add a folder, folder, group. Oh my gosh, there's so many groups. Okay, vertical. Let's see what I can do for you, YouTube. I want you to see the merchandise too. So, merch. Yeah, that's more like it. That's more like it. That's more like it. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. That's what's like it. That's what's like it. Moo. Meow. What's that? Hey, you can go away. I don't need you. It's our Pokemon. Why am I clicking on? Okay, that's what I need. Let's move that down. Okay, so where am I gonna put you? Should I just put it up here? Up there? Maybe I could put it up here. And have it a little bit underneath the name layer on YouTube. Let's see here. Move it down. And put it behind my head. Because most of it's going to be in the center, so I put it behind the chair. Ah, not that. Okay, maybe I can't put it behind the chair. Oh, wow, I forgot it. I need to move my chair. I don't know what my chair is. My chair is missing. I don't have a chair on the scene. Or I don't have a chair on the vertical scene. So, now let's try this again. Now let's see if I can go ahead and do this. Let's see if I can try the command. Let me test it. Test trigger. Okay. Hopefully it should hide the trigger in a few seconds. Sorry about the posting, guys. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I need to move the Pokemon community game. The Pokemon is in the wrong screen. I need to put that on for here to show. Oh yeah, I forgot YouTube doesn't have the Pokemon game. I still need to move it. How I really want to put the Pokemon game on YouTube as well. Darn it. I'm just gonna have your YouTube its own game. That's all I'm gonna have to do. I'm going to have to create a mini game exclusive to YouTube. Since none of these platforms want to do anything about it, I'm gonna have to make my own game. Maybe a trivia game. A chat trivia game, huh? I get an idea! I'm getting ideas. I'm thinking. Let me think this out. I'm thinking. If that equals that, with that, then do that, with that, but then put that there, have if that equals that, and apply a variable to score. I'm thinking. It's hurting a lot. I'm still thinking. I think I can do this. I literally think I can code a chat-based trivia game that will work on Twitch and YouTube. Oh, Botrix. I got an idea. What type of power do you give me, Botrix? If Botrix gives me the type of power I'm looking for, I can do it on all 3 platforms. Let me see here. I'm thinking, because if Botrix gives me the ability to, 1, have an automated chat command that will have variables based off of variables, random text, and if answers are put toward a variable, adding a point score variable. It'll be easier if I code it myself, but I just want to see what type of power Botrix gives me. That's what I want to see. Let's see here. Especially on the light spaces. That's the one I don't know is going to work. Let's see, what options do I have here? Okay. Lightspace has counters, follow goals, chat, channel key. It does not have chat box feature. Okay, then I can't do it. If Lightspace had added a feature where I could actually manipulate things in chat, I could actually pull some stuff off. But I can't do that yet. However, that doesn't stop me from implementing this on both Twitch and YouTube, coding it myself in StreamerBot. Just thinking how I'm gonna pull this off. So I can have variables that change. Thinking. I don't know who I'm listening to, honestly. I don't know. Let me see something. I'm thinking. Let me check something real quick. Just want to test something, make sure. Okay. I try to make sure that I don't have special audio on this scene, but yeah. Actually, no, I need to go back there. In order to fix my Zora from flying in the sky right there, I need to adjust it on a different screen. That's what I'm trying to do. So let's see here. Okay, Zora's there. We've got Zora. What about Gigi? Okay, there's Gigi. I'm putting each pen in a different spot. Mew? Okay. And my Eevee. Think you got enough pets? Oh, you can't hear me, can you? Sorry, Twitch. Why not? It doesn't matter. There! Got all my pets on the screen at the same time. All my pets are here! I forgot that that screen didn't have a microphone audio. I don't think it did. It might. No, I'm pretty sure it doesn't. So YouTube was able to hear it, but not Lightspace and Twitch. So go fig. And why is my chat here so tiny? My chat is so tiny on the screen. I might have to shrink down that one. I might have to shrink down the merchant news panel and make the chat panel a little longer. That because it's looking so tiny and scrunched up on the long version. So let's see if I can fix some stuff here. Not you. So let's see here. Go Control T. Can I show desktop? I have a desktop button, right? I hope I have a desktop. I don't know why it's not showing my desktop. Maybe on site? Yeah, the desktop's not showing. Where's my desktop? Do I have my desktop panel on the screen? I know I do. I hope I do. Oh, it's called LF on here. Is that why I can't find it? Oh, okay. So I would write the script in. Okay, so I need desktop. It needs to be LF. Uh-oh. I think my Stream Deck has been disconnected because it says it's waiting for OBS, which means I need to close it. Come on, be able to OBS Stream Deck. Come on, fix my script. It's not connecting, is it? No, it's not. No wonder my buttons aren't working today. My Stream Deck buttons aren't working. So I need to fix the thingy. Okay. Task manager. Let's see here. I'm looking for. Oh, did I not start the Stream Raiders back battle? I'm sorry because I forgot it was restarting. Okay. Oh my god, I got so much stuff. Okay, I am looking. See, I need to wait for search for tasks. Actually, yes, I can search for tasks. Oh, I cannot forget 4 seasons we've lived in. I mean, Iwashiki wo Wataru yo. Come on. Okay. Hopefully it should work this time, right? It didn't work last time. Let's see it now. Okay. That's more like it. Now I can show you guys what I'm doing. Hopefully. Transform. Press the string. Yeah, that should work. So I cannot forget 4 seasons we've lived in. Ano sola mo kanashimi wo kaite. Okay, so what my problem is, this box here is a little too long, which I'm going to be shrinking down anyway. The lower box to the next 2 downs. Control T. Why aren't you listening to me? Tsukoshita. Let me just shrink you down. At least to this point, I believe. Okay. And Control T. Make you longer because I want to have the text chat a little bit longer, more visible. Because I hate squinting. I'm sure you guys hate squinting too. So the longer I make it, the better everyone can see it. Well, at least on vertical. On YouTube, it's fine. On YouTube, it's quite big and vibrant. Here, it's all screeched up tiny, so I didn't like that. Oh, shoot. Huh? Nani? Did I mess up? I messed up. Wrong one! That was a preliminary version. I don't need any more. Yeah, I don't want to see. Go away. Shoot. I like this one better. Okay. So, that's the one I was working on. This one, the pretty one. Okay. Like, why is that looking pretty plain? And now I remember, oh yeah, I made some changes. Lots of changes. So, let's shrink it down to about that much. Move my merchant news panel down to here. Okay. And then I extend the display for chat. Have it about the same length as here. A little longer. There we go. There we go. I think we got it. And export it. Uh-oh, did I have something selected again? Oh, nice. Had a weird feeling in my eyes here. Weird. Okay. Did I save it? I hope I did. A little bit. No, I didn't save it. I did not export it. Why didn't it export? It's supposed to be significantly smaller. Maybe I didn't save it right? Oh, I must change to something else. Ah, I named it Untitled instead of layer. There we go. Fix that. Okay. Ah, yeah, I got some fixing I need to do here. Okay, my Pokemon community game needs to be fixed, and so does this. Okay. Where'd my mousey go? Okay. Switch over to overlays again. Bring myself up on overlays. Ah! Okay. So what I need to do is take everything that's in this box, on the long vertical box, and move it over until everything is fixed. Like that. And chat needs to be blown up to here. Much better. Okay. Something just popped in my eye and it's hurting me. Okay, Pokemon community game. Where'd it go? I keep misplacing the Pokemon community game. I keep missing it. Do we have Stream Raiders open yet? Nope, it's still restarting. Darn it. Come on, Pokemon community game, where are you hiding? Okay, the ball close image. Let's move to the other box over here. I'll fit it into the box. Okay. Oh, excuse you. You need a transition. You need a fade in and a fade out. You ain't gonna come in here without style. Come on. I need style. Oh my gosh. Got a big scratch on my eyelid, and I keep feeling like there's something in my eye. So I'm trying to cry it out. Ah. But then I have a big scratch on the side of my eyelid, which makes it worse. Every time I blink, it hurts. Okay, what's the next image? Pokecatch. Break that down into the box. Oh, I forgot to turn on the alert bait too. I'm sorry. And the appear image. My eyes. Oh, I missed it. Okay, got that all the images set and the music should be already tuned to it. So I think that fixes the Pokemon community game. I hope. I hope. Let me think. Oh, my head. Anything else I need to fix on here? Just making sure there's nothing in my eyes. Yeah, this cut might be funny even worse than I thought. Okay. It's harder to see now. Think. Thinking. Okay. I want to assume this is done. Now so back in base. Okay. I am literally holding my eyelid above my eyes. Because every time my eyelid goes down, it's hurting my eyes. And it's the same eye that I got gouged out by that kindergarten kid. I'm hoping it's not something permanent. Let's just hold on and see if I can get it to tear up and stuff and flesh and get it, whatever, artifact out of it. Think. Let's just try now. Come on, cry. Okay, I think that works. Nope, it didn't. I think I can work with this. Okay. So what other scripts do I need to test? I had to separate the starting school soon screen on my vertical video from the other one because I had so much stuff going on the original. Maybe I should set up a separate screen on the YouTube for the gameplay versus the chat. I don't know. My problem is on the vertical video, I can't switch scenes to vertical video as easily as I could switch to the other ones. So I had to literally touch buttons instead of actually having a single button on the OBS switch to it. And I can't switch scenes on the other one because I have to do the same thing. So I'm a little confused here. Why isn't StreamYard starting yet? Okay. Come on, StreamYarders. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think I got StreamYard started now. Hopefully. I just closed my eyes for most of it. So what I should try to do is take the StreamYard source and put it on the YouTube channel somehow in a smaller capacity. So let's see here. Let's see if I have that source by itself. Oh, there it is. I meant to put it there, but it works. So I could put that over here. LF needs to go down a few layers. There we go. There, Stream Raiders is there. So yeah, now people on YouTube can also take part in Stream Raiders, if they wish. In fact, if you actually play it on mobile, it's actually a lot easier because all you have to do is just pop out the YouTube video, and then just go to the browser and play Stream Raiders from your browser, and that way you can play while you're watching. That's what I did. It works quite well. I need to find out what this gold panel. Gold needs to be stretched out. Oh man, why do I keep grabbing the wrong stuff? Every time I click on something, the wrong thing shows is showing up. I don't want that to happen. Lock it. Just trying to get my goals. I don't want the cafe right now. Now what am I clicking on? I don't want the coffee alerts. Ah, my eyes! I've clicked this thing on 4 times and I still can't get to the layer I'm looking for. I don't want the back either. It's gold locked again. Why are you trying to keep doing this to me here? Come on, goals. I'm trying to move you. I just transform you. Oh God, okay. YouTube, you're seeing some weird stuff right now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was just trying to adjust it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Just take a few seconds. Much easier, I think. There, I think. Why is it showing double? Why do I have double goals? I have a second layer then here. There's 2 layers of it. I need to find out where the other one is. Where's my other one? I have 2 layers of the same thing on YouTube. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. Spacebar maybe? Oh, there it is. I found it. Remove it. I'll fix that problem. I fixed it. How you doing, Derek? How are you? Are you gonna say something more than hi this time? I want to hear more from you this time. Keep that. Just doing some editing and adjusting, trying to fix stuff up. I hope. Yeah, trying to. I'm adjusting stuff on both YouTube and Twitch, so I'm not sure what I'm pulling off. Except for eye issues. I'm having really eye issues down here. Oh yeah, my cup came in today. My merch cup. Coffee cup, my new 15-ounce coffee cup. I can actually brew a full cup of tea without it spilling over. I'm so happy. Because my last cup was only 11 ounces and it was too little room for me to mix and without spilling. I think I need to go to the restroom real quick. Because my eyes are really messed up and I need to rinse it out. So let me do something real quick. Do I have BRB on here yet? I hope I do. No, that's not BRB. I never made that BRB yet? Oh man. I thought I made a BRB. Okay. Oh god. My eyes are messing up, so I can't see anything. Can I just do this? Add source group. BRB. Set BRB. Oh, my eyes, my eyes. I found that BRB. BRB set. Okay, I found it. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I'll just do that. Overlay. There's a BRB over here. BRB? Where's my BRBs at? Okay. Be right back, guys. Sorry about that. I really gotta go rinse my eyes out. Obviously, I need to revamp BRB for the other one. sounds like. Okay, let's hide this stuff now. Okay. What is this? I'm gonna copy you. Copy. Can I make a new one? Let's see. Okay, let's see here. I can't hide that, huh? Nope. Okay. Uh-oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay. Oopsie. Oh, no. You need to hide. You need to hide. Okay. 1 second. YouTube, I need to move this over. Yeah, that's not helping me. I need to move this BRB screen. Okay, I'm here. I'm just kind of, improvising here. The, BRB screen on YouTube sucks. It totally sucks. So, what I'm gonna do is, recreate it. I'm gonna recreate it on, YouTube as a new screen. So, YouTube's gonna be a little quiet for a moment, but let me just redesign this real quick. Okay, so let's see here. YouTube. Audio input capture. Mic. Okay, I'm still here, YouTube. I'm still here. I'm just trying to fix this layer because this sucks. Okay, so I need layout 7 back. That image. Where are you? Ah! I need that image. Image. Just give me the option to break it up. Can I ungroup it? I know what to do. No. Okay, I need to. Okay, I know what to do. I need to go back to overlays and switch out the BRB over there. Where are you, BRB? Okay, this is really irritating me now. Okay, I need to find the image! You finally made it, but I'm still fighting. Oh, my eyes are busted out here. Okay, let's just go back to base side. Okay. Let me see if you guys can see what I'm working on here. Okay? Because YouTube's making me angry right now. So what I'm trying to do is get my images here. So I'm trying to take that and move it over. Oh, it's a new layer on vertical. So what I need is layout 7 back. Can I copy? Well, this feature made me copy. I'm just trying to recreate it. I'm very angry here. Okay. Oh, no, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, don't fight with me. Transform. Stretch the screen. Okay, I just stretched it, okay? It's a lot easier to stretch it. Okay. Well, I'm trying my bit by bit here. I still have a long way to go. Okay, Synthwave. Synthwave. Can I actually make you more filtered? I want you to be a little clearer. Chroma key? Let's change it to be a little bit more opaque. I want like that. Oh yeah, that's actually a nice effect. I like that effect. Okay. Now what else? We don't need words on stream on this one, but we do need the BRB image. Move it. Ah. Oh, dang it. I screwed up. I screwed up! I can't do that. I can't do that. Put you back in there. I have to make a new image. That's the only way I can do it. I have to make a new image. Darn it. Okay, so let me open it back up in here. Okay, get your butt over here, you boo-boo head. Okay, so wait, the macaroni and cheese has my vertical scene. Oh, I forgot. It's over here. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna have to do. What I need to do is get your butt over here, you boo-boo head. Okay. I need that layer for... Oh man, it's so tiny. I need the BRB one. Oh my gosh. I can't find BRB. Oh, come on, man. My eyes are so fuzzy, I can't see anything. So we'll just do make a new image here. Be right back. Okay. Oh, no, you didn't. Get your butt back up there. Blow it up. Obviously, I need to fish fun on that. Okay. Blending options. Add some blending options to the sucker. So we're gonna need a stroke. Oh god, not that stroke. Add another stroke maybe? Okay, I need a black outline here. And then we can go for a white outline, but then one more black outline outside of that one. So 1 pixel higher. Like 5. And change the color to black. Okay, maybe not that. Okay, that's that. You need to be more. Okay, that's more likable. Okay, I need to change you to be centered. Okay, now export this as an independent image. Export to image. Okay. Okay, there yet, YouTube. Now, I need to switch back to the other scene. And add it. New. What's one I just made? There we go. Adding you there. Now, I just need to get the flips. I'll go and hide that. I don't think I need it anymore. Now, I'll go ahead and put the clip scene on here. So it should be a browser source. And make it a little bit bigger. And I should have a horizontal panel I could put underneath it. Add image. 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 Not glass back. I don't need that. Actually, now that I think about that, transform. What if I put this lower? Right below the synthwave, or right above the synthwave. Yeah, the synthwave needs to be a little bit more filtered here. Do I need that or do I need this? Yeah, I think that whole glass back is messing up everything, so let's trash that. I thought I was going to add more to it, but it's taken away from it. So, let's see here. Okay, let's add my logo here. If I have it easy to find. I have no idea where that is. Yeah, I'll put my logo right there in the middle. Yeah, that's a lot more presentable, isn't it? I like that better. See, this is how I was looking on YouTube right now. YouTube is seeing it as I'm creating it. It's a really unique interface here. Okay. So we have that. That's a microphone on there. What else am I missing? Okay. I still think that synthwave needs to be a little bit more filtered. I don't want it pronounced. Yeah, I want it like that. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Or is it too busy? Let's see, which one looks better? With it? With the synthwave or without the synthwave? Actually, I think I like it better without the synthwave. It's a lot less busy. But that means what I could do is add a new image of a box, a plain panel. I think I have a plain panel with no name on it. It's a horizontal panel. And let's see if I can filter that down. Rename. I just filter first. Oh, god dang it. What are you doing over there? Okay. Layout 7. Panel. Okay, let's do some cropping. Because I gotta get rid of all the extra white space. Filter. Filter, filter, filter! Let's crop it. Crop, 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 crop. Let's crop it. Gotta crop it. Get rid of everything on the left. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't need to take anything off the left. Okay. Get rid of the stuff at the top. Yeah. No, 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 no. Cut off my panel. Don't you dare cut off my panel. Okay, I gotta go by hundreds with this one. 700. 800. Okay, I see a shadow there. Okay, I'm super up there. See a shadow there? And anything on the top I need to take off? I think we got the panel fixed. Okay, panel is all trimmed down, so I should be able to shrink it down and stretch it out as needed. And if I'm right, I should be able to put it underneath here. Or, yeah. Uh-oh, transform. I had to stretch it out a little bit. Oh, it's fine, whatever. Stretch the screen, you boo-boo head. There we go. Much better. Now can I copy that panel and put it in again? Probably not. I think I'll get the way it is. So now we have a BRB. Let me rename this. Rename. Bert BRB. That will be easy to tell what it is. And now I can switch back here. I am sorry. I am sorry, but it's fixed now. It's all been fixed. It's all been fixed. I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry you had to suffer through all that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But I wanted to make sure it looked pretty for you. I didn't want to give you guys anything half-assed. So I fixed it. I fixed it. I totally fixed it. So yeah. And it looks like it's almost time for Stabby. What I should do is just break up Stabby into his own scene too. I think. I'm still thinking about that. The Stabby and Cafe should be his own scenes too. My question is there a way for me to switch to ATM panels without clicking on them? I don't know. I'm thinking. Ah, my eyes. I'm trying my best not to rub, but I think that there's a cut in my iris that's adding extra pressure on my eyes, making it feels like there's something in my eyes when it really isn't. Trying to avoid it though. Stabby stab, stabby stab. There it is. That's good. Stabby stab, stabby stab, stabby stab. Stabby stab stab stabby stab 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 stabby stabby stab stab stabby 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 stab stabby 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 stab stabby stabby stab stab stabby 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 stab stab stabby 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 stab 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 stabby stab stab. That's when these go under Stream Raiders. I know under a lot of stuff, honestly. Racing Kiss. Okay, let's see if we can kiss some butt. Probably not, but we'll see. I'll give us a superpower. Let's go kill it. I remember Amazing Kiss. Come in that side. Stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab. Stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab. Stab, 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 stabby, stab. Stabby, stabby, stab. Stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab. Stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab. Stab. Looks like we pulled it off. Okay. Ow. Okay, open up Stabby. Okay. Easy selection there. And start one more match. Last match. My eyes are really hurting here. Uh-oh. Did I push the button? I thought I pushed the button. Trying to level this warrior up so I can finally have someone at level 30. At least that's my main goal, at least. just what I needed. More warrior scrolls. It's almost as if the game heard me when I said I need more warrior scrolls. I wonder if there's any more in the store to grab. No. Fine. Why'd you use more Shinobis though? I could have used Flying Rogue too, but oh well. Go ahead and upgrade my Shinobi. I still might have enough to get some more. Go back to this, sure. Scrolls. Flying Rogue. So what is my strongest character? My strongest character is my warrior, followed by my archer, my tank, and my rogue. I have 3 characters I haven't even unlocked yet. Oh well. Amazing kiss. Okay, so take off Stream Raiders. And I'm going to have to move that panel to be underneath Stream Raiders. So let's see if I can find that on my vertical. Because that timer on here is not helpful. So, alert Stream Raiders just go underneath the stream. No! No, underneath the Stream Raiders panel. So that it won't appear in the way. Okay. If I'm right, that means clicking this should basically cover it. Most of it, at least. Move it down a little bit so it's a little bit more hidden there. That way it doesn't look like it's taking up so much space. Even though it's really there, it's not taking up as much space. However, I think the alert should be probably down here, maybe? Since it's not as important on this screen. Yeah, I'll put it behind the chat. It's not quite as important on this screen as it is on the other. Because the battle's already in effect, it's just going to say the same thing. So if I hide it, then it hides everywhere. See? It works! Oh, yeah. Okay. So, we got Stream Raiders working again. Well, we got the BRB set up now. I just need to link it to my Stream Deck now. Because I'm going to need that button on the fly, so, yeah. Actually, I can't do that, can I? I had to click it manually. Well, let's see. Actually, now that I think about it, might be a way to fix this. What if I add a scene on top of the layer? Instead of a multi-layer, I add an old scene. So let's see, add scene, BRB. Yeah! I have it visible. It takes me a whole trouble. Okay, let's do a hide. Let me do a transition. Show transitions. Slide up. And a fade transition. Slide down. Let's try it. Ready and test. Which means, by the same logic, I should be able to do the same for the starting soon. I'm so smart. Okay, so I could go ahead and delete that BRB set from this layer. I don't need that anymore. Obviously, I need to remake it again. Ugh. But now I can add a scene. do that same thing. Sorry about that, YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Have it show by sliding it up. And hide by sliding it down. That way, if my calculations are absolutely correct, and I hope it is, I should be able to adequately change a lot of stuff. So I could actually literally have everything on one scene, but have it all cover each other. Okay, this really helps. Instead of having boxes like I am before, I'm actually setting it up where, oh gosh, I need to stand up. I'm not stood up too tall. Okay, let me step back. I need to stretch a little. Oopsie. I do have the new mode of this where it could actually go full body model, but I need to adjust it a little bit better because I'm a little too tall for it. And I need to learn how to mount it accordingly. So I'll figure it out as I go along. Still having a hard time dealing with two different cameras, actually. See, I'm standing up too tall. Again, I didn't need to stand up. So let me do some stretches. Okay. So we got a BRB screen, I got a starting soon screen, so I should be able to code those into my streamer bot. It should be that hard, I hope. I have starting soon, but just so I could change something. Instead of having the V starting soon, I would go to vertical format and starting soon. That will save me time. And that will stay the same way. So now I do the same for BRB. Create multi-action. Multi-action switch is actually what I need. Okay, so first thing I need to do is go to OBS and source visibility. Okay, the first thing I need to show is V starting soon, vertical format of BRB. Oh, I don't have it open today. I don't have it open today, gamer. I haven't turned it on yet. I'm sorry. I'm trying to work on this first. I'm still coding stuff. Okay, and now add another source visibility. This time it's going to be the base. Starting soon. BRB. Okay, so I copy that. Okay, that's both show it. Copy. Paste. This time I'm going to hide it. Uh-oh, get your butt back over here. We're not done yet. We're not done with you. Paste. Hide. And rename it BRB. And let's test it out. Hopefully it works. We shall see. It's not on right now, gamer. I just said that. I don't have it turned on. I'm testing other stuff right now. Oh. Yeah, that's gonna be an issue. Okay. Okay. So obviously I need to fix this. Where's the BRB? Okay, it has to be an overlay. overlay needs to be fixed. Okay, where are we? Oh, okay. Okay, so I need to add this back into its own scene. Okay, let me think. I need to add that image back into the screen here. Okay, the BRB image is in the wrong spot, so let's move that up. Okay. I think I need to have words on stream always open though, in order for that to work. Let me see here. Let me test it out. Yeah, that's not gonna help. That has to go underneath the BRB image. Plus, I'll be hiding, so. Oh. I said it after you said fish, though. You didn't stick around to see if it worked? Okay, let's see here. And for those of you watching on YouTube, here's what I'm trying to work on here. I'm actually working on the horizontal version, so you can see what I'm doing on YouTube as well. Oh God, okay. Okay, it's so weird. Okay, so I need... What if I move it down? Can I just move the whole thing down? Can we hide the other one? BRB image. Can I move you down? I want you to be down. And I want the clips to be down too. But in addition to all that, I need that back. Mail something back. Where you at? Okay, so I'm gonna put that in the panel. There we go. That actually works. It actually works. Okay, so let me hide myself and see. Okay, so let's hide it. Put to the side. Okay, see if it works now. I need to fix the streamer bot. Yes! 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 BRB. Yeah. Uh-huh. Horizontal. BRB. Come on, BRB. Come on. So if my calculations are right, we shall see. How you doing there, Ron? It's doing some coding on both sites here. Oh god. Okay, it looks like it's doing what I wanted it to do. Yeah, I can deal with that. Now let's sit down. Okay. Yeah, this is such a pain. Okay, so now I have a starting student screen and a BRB screen that works on both. On both this and that. So yeah. I'm so lost. Okay. So, got that to work. I guess the next thing I need to do is, oh god, I don't want to deal with a cafe, but that's gonna have to be my next step. Darn it. Do I really want to do all that? Not really. I don't know. Oh no. I almost broke something. But yep, so, yep. You guys are seeing how it looks on YouTube right now. This is live on YouTube. This is me on YouTube, this is me on Twitch. So, yeah. 2 platforms, 1 knucklehead. Or more than 1 knucklehead, actually. Okay, I better start that. Everyone shut that down. Okay, so now I know. I just need to open up the... Oh, so what I should do... I should add another script into that to open up the page. So let me see. Okay. Okay, so let's see here. Let me add that into StreamerBot to open up the page. So all I have to do is push start before I leave. I think that should work. GDeck. Open browser. Is there an option to open the browser? Yeah. If I could open up the browser before this. Let's see if it works. Close it up. Let's see if my calculations work. Push 1 button, and it should make both screens go BRB. And automatically open up the page, so all I have to do is click this start game before walking away. 1, 2, 3, click. And that worked. I don't know how, but it did. I just wish I could work on only there's a way to actually scan the barcode from the phone. I don't know. Let me see here. I've never tried to scan the barcode with the phone. Do I have a barcode scanner on here, or do I have to use my phone? Let's see here. Let me test something out, guys. Just a little experimentation. It could work, but it only could work on Twitch. Okay, well, that sucks. Well, it's worth a try. Oh wow, that is so weird. Seeing that the seeing that was actually being hidden is the one where I was being scrunched. Sorry. Okay. However, I should put the writing new orders and drinking a Guinness. Huh. Well, I'm just trying to improve. I redesigned my layout again because I wasn't happy with it. I actually like the classic look more, so I decided to bring that one back. But I'm just trying to make my scripts work because my OBS got wiped out by a bad plugin, and my streaming bot got wiped out because of me not updating correctly. I'm keeping it simple. I'll show you how simple this is. I'm keeping it extremely simple. See, this is all I have coded. Although I am going to find out how to get that freaking cafe to work. I'm going to get that cafe to work. Automating. I am going to automate that cafe eventually. But yeah, I'm just setting it up where simple chat commands do different things. Pretty much. Oh god, it's so bright. How did this thing just get a dark mode already? Ugh. But yes, the head patch should work on both Twitch and YouTube. The hype should work on both Twitch and YouTube. The Pokemon community game only will work on Twitch. Yeah. But that's my ADHD talking, okay? ADHD means I'm always gonna go overboard. Okay. Yeah, but I get to learn from my mistakes. So yeah. Okay, got the I have the standing mode thing set to show when that's gonna show any standing modes. I have the stabby time set to be triggered by the stream raiders bot. I have the coffee alert for when someone wants to get the coffee link, and also the throne, same thing, and the coffee dono if anyone ever does that. So that's set. What I'm having more trouble is with the merch. I want to show off my merch, and so far I only have 2 things of merch working. And I also can't stream on VStream anymore. VStream is shutting down, so that's one less platform I can stream on. And I decided to drop Kick and I dropped Turbo because, well, honestly, they both were annoying me, so I stopped it. So I'm only on Twitch, Livespace, and YouTube now. So I'm trying to get codes to work across all 3. Unfortunately, most of my codes are only going to work on Twitch and YouTube for now until StreamerBot gets support in Livespace. It's just so sad. It is so sad. StreamerBot finally gets a plugin that works with VStream, and VStream is going to shut down on April 1st. Like, come on! All that work in StreamerBot put into that, and it ain't going to stick around. That's not fair. It's not. Of course, I honestly had trouble enjoying streaming on VStream because I had to go through many pages of a layout just to set up a stream there. I know. Which is why I'm actually doing this multi-streaming thing in the first place. Because if Twitch does inevitably meet its end, at least I'll be building up a presence on other platforms before that point happens. So that's why I'm setting up on, I believe Livespace is a good bet because they actually have a good starting foundation. And I'm also trying to build up on YouTube. YouTube, I'm doing only vertical videos. In fact, this is how I look on YouTube. And of course, if anyone wants to see how I look on the oh my gosh, that's the wrong panel. That's not the panel I need to see. I'll put a projector here. And if anyone on YouTube wants to see how I look on Livespace and Twitch, Oh God, that looks so weird. That's essentially what it's like. Not quite as crazy, but you get the idea. Oh my God. It's wiggly, 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 woo. It's so weird. It actually makes me feel seasick, actually. Seasick. It's kind of weird, but kind of cool in the same fashion, actually. Oh my gosh. It looks so crazy. Okay, I better stop. Okay, so let's stop that. Poker, poker. Pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face. But I do like how the chat looks on both platforms now. The chat is a lot easier to read. First places. Oh, wow. Well, wish you luck. Wish you lots of luck. Uh-oh. Let's see here. So I guess we're going to delete these streams soon. Do I put my character down? Yeah. Okay. On my foot. Okay. What else? What else? So what haven't we tested yet? What scripts haven't I tested that have been programmed? Oh, the fish. I need that fish tester. Ah. I never know. I need to check see if I don't think I won a lottery, but I'll still bought a ticket. Uh-oh. I think fishy should work now. I wonder. Where's the fishy thing? Why aren't you showing up? Where is it? Okay. I wonder. Since we know that it is possible to make the game read other usernames, what if it's possible for me to write a script where if user on YouTube says this command, then my streamer bot will take that command and add it into the I got an idea. I got an idea. I hope it works. I hope it works, but let me see if I can get it to work. Okay. Let's see here. Streamer bot. Okay, I need you to hide. Okay. So what I'm gonna do. So what I always wanted to have done was find a way to allow people on YouTube to take part in the fishing thing, so I could finally put fishing on the thingy. So if I could trick it into thinking that it's coming from Twitch and enter the variable of the raw data. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see if I can do this. Let me see here. I'm gonna need to pull this closer because I can't see anything. Okay. Okay. Oh, dang. Stabby stab time already. Damn it. Stabby stab. Stabby stab. Stabby stab. Stabby stab. Stabby stab. stabby, stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, 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 stab, stabby, 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 stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, 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 stab, stab, stabby, 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 stab, 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 stabby, stab, stab. Stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stabby, stabby, stab, 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 stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab, stabby, stab, stab. Oh, I didn't think we had a chance on that one, but I was worth a shot, right? Right. Oh well. I'm gonna have that be the last stabby of the night, though. So I need to test something else out. And also, it's almost time to wrap things up pretty soon anyway. Oh, I need to change my spell tone. Can I use that to increase my, store? What was it? Army? Captain spells? I haven't updated my captain spells in a long while. I would like to increase my stronghold if possible. I need 70 gold. God damn it. That sucks. Oh, I guess I have to wait. I have to wait. Okay, I'm gonna try some scripting here. Let me hide the stabby stab. Okay, stabby stab going? Good. Okay, let's do some streaming but scripting here. I want to have add IT registry transition. Okay, so I want to source. Okay, trigger, make it. I want to make a trigger. I might have to fix that trigger though. Okay. Is it possible to run two scripts side by side? I think I can. Let's see. Yeah, let's switch it over. I might be able to do both. Well, let's see. Actions. Okay, so that's gonna be under the same trigger as fish. What I wanted to do is core. Can I get a variable? Okay, get the info from who redeemed. Okay, that's what I want. And what is the variable for username? I have to find that variable. I need the variable for username and StreamerBot. And from YouTube. And I'm going to use that as a copy into the next data and force my bot to say fish then username. So let's see if I can pull that off. YouTube. I need user data. Okay, I don't want message ID. I'm trying to find the variable that matches the one for user. Not vStream. I say YouTube. YouTube user. Okay, user is a string. Okay, found it. I need to get a script, create a script that will show the username of the person who used that command. So okay. Huh? Okay. Okay. Hopefully that works. Okay, and okay, Twitch chat. Channel. Send message to channel. Okay, expression fish user. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see. And copy command. Paste trigger. I should not delete that. Okay. And this I only want to be on YouTube message. Okay, so I'll go back to actions. Delete that one. And add a trigger. Okay. So let's see if this works. Hopefully it does, but I don't know if it's going to. We'll see. We shall see if this works or not. Where's YouTube at? I can't find the YouTube chat. I need the YouTube chat for this one. Okay, there it is. Found it. Okay. And I moved over to YouTube Live and realized how much better YouTube's quality is than Twitch. Don't tell Twitch that. Don't tell Twitch that. Sorry about that. I was trying to see multiple things here. But I'm streaming on I'm trying to improvise on both here. So I'm trying a new script to see if it's possible to have people on YouTube able to take part in the actions on Twitch. So I'm trying to see if I can make the fish command work here as well. Okay. And I need to do at, perhaps at. Let's try that. I might need someone to test this out for me, most likely. How do I get the fish to work? Where's my fishing? Where's the fishy? Did I close the fishy? Okay, why aren't you fishing? Okay. So, what I'm trying to do, let's see if it works. I hope it works. I hope it works. So that's worked so far with a test, but let's see if it works after this. Come on. Come on. I know Quay was able to do it. I'm just trying to figure out how I do it. Let me see here. Was it Quay or was it Quay who did? Was it you or was it Oh, my head hurts. I guess it didn't work. Okay, something, is it at or I don't know. Were you able to get someone else to fish for someone else? That's what I want to know. I know a mod can do it. Because now it's even not even reading me saying fish, so I don't know what's going on. It's not even reading me fishing right. What's going on? Is it not reading me? Or am I not connected to Twitch? We can actually use that. That'll help. Okay. Oh, mods can do that. So it has to be at username. Oh, hello. Okay. So it should work, but why didn't it work? If mods can do it, why can't I do it? Broadcaster only, unless mods are enabled. Okay, so let me see here. If I could change my StreamerBot script to force it to be under the broadcaster. Oh, it is. Fish and broadcaster. So, based off of that, oh, maybe that's it. Let's see. Okay. Let's try it. drink. I haven't eaten a drink. I guess it has to be a person in chat. That may be the only ways it's working, I'm thinking. I don't understand. That should work, right? Huh? It's not doing that either. What the heck? Ah. Why is it not doing it? Well, I wanted to do it. I want to break the barriers of being locked out of different platforms. I want multiple platforms to be able to pull this off. Now I can carry variables into different functions, but I don't understand why it's not reading when I type it in. It says fish at username, queues up username, broadcaster only unless mods are enabled. So what if I turn it off for mods? Would that fix it? Okay, so let's see here. Save it. Let's try it now. Let me try it. Let me use you as a guinea pig, JL. Let's see if it works. It should work. Why aren't you working? Maybe I just need to shut it down and restart it. I don't know. Let's try it again. Maybe I broke it. Or maybe it didn't like what I was trying to do. I will improvise. Telling me something is impossible only makes me want to do it more. Let's see here. I do know Headpad works here, though. You can actually use Headpad on both platforms. I might remove it from the channel point queue because it's going to be enabled by a command. So, yeah. What I should do is, under drink, I should have like a picture of a picture. If that makes any sense. First, let's try exclamation fish. Okay, so we do know it's recognizing me. Okay. That's the only thing I can think of. That's what I wanted to see, because it might be the space in your name, but I might be able to parse it and switch it out with a variable, but we'll see. I'm just trying to force it to at least get your first name in there. Maybe I can work with that. Let's see here. So let me try someone local here. Try a local and see if it works. So if it works with someone in Twitch chat, it by definition should be able to work with someone in here as well. So let's try. Where you look? Here. Okay. So let's try you. First, let's try JL. Okay, it works for JL. Get over here, YouTube. Okay. It's working with JL now. So, hey, I broke it. Okay, now. Okay, Lizzie, can you try it one more time? Try exclamation point fish and see if it works over. I'm gonna try fish over here. Okay, it worked for you. But let's see if I can get one more try over here. And if I'm right, it should read me. Yeah? It read me saying fish in lowercase. So I just need someone else to try it on YouTube to see if it works now. So I just need one more person to test it in YouTube. Let's see. Cross my fingers, hoping it works. It worked! At least your first name. At least your first name works, so yeah, that's something. I'll take what I can get. Yeah. My head hurts, but I figured it out somehow. My head hurts. Oh, woo. Yay! Pony for the win! I pulled off the impossible. If only I can make the sandy modes work just as well. Although I'm gonna have to probably just relocate everything to my local hard drive instead of using Stream Elements for that. Because I'm sure you guys all want to use the sandy modes everywhere. Woohoo! Woohoo! I found an exploit that worked to my favor! Yeah! So everybody on YouTube can use Fish. Everybody on Twitch can use Fish. Lightspace, unfortunately, you're going to have to wait until Lightspace gives me streaming bot access, okay? When they do that, then I can add you guys into the fishing system as well. Okay? Oh my gosh. But doing the impossible is what I do best. The more someone tells me it can't be done, the more I try to do it. Okay. Woohoo! Woo! Hoo! Woo! Hoo! Woo! Hoo! Woo! 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 I'm thinking. I forgot what I was thinking about. Yep. There's always a way to get something done, and it just takes me a little while to figure it out how to do it. Now, I was supposed to be doing playing my indie games today, though. I'm totally off schedule. Well, I guess I'll be having an indie game week next week. I haven't really planned out my schedule for the rest of next week anyway, but my indie games are piling up. I just got another code that I'll be showing you guys. What am I doing this weekend anyway? Oh, shoot. Let's see. What the heck am I doing? Oh, yeah. Okay, so I didn't do what I was supposed to do Monday. I didn't do what I was supposed to do Tuesday. I didn't do what I was supposed to do Wednesday. Sunday, I was entirely off. I think. Was I off? Yeah, I was off. So, for 3 days, I haven't done anything I was supposed to be doing. I'm hoping to get back on track with Thursday. So, I'll be playing Star Wars Battlefront Classic Collection and the original Star Wars Battlefront. I'll actually be swapping between the original game and the new game to show you guys the difference of the first few stages of each game and show you how different they work. So I'll be actually playing 4 games in one stream, kinda, in a way. Friday, I'm finally going back to playing Fire Emblem Warriors, as long as my capture card stops acting like a piece of crap, because it's been driving me nuts lately. It really has. So hopefully it works. If it works by then I'll finally go back to Fire Emblem. Saturday is supposed to be the fighting tournament, but I have not had anyone respond to my post in the Discord saying they want to take part in it. So I need some people to join in here. If no one joins, then I might just have me I don't know. Maybe I'll just pick a fighting game and play the campaign mode through or something. I don't know. But if I don't have at least 5 people who join the tournament, I'm not gonna have the tournament. That's only fair, guys. Because otherwise, it's just gonna be me versus gamer the whole time, and I want more competition. I don't want just me losing every time to the gamer. I want more of a variety of fighters. Okay. Everyone who wins the tournaments for each game will be actually able to get a free game code voucher for a game code giveaway system, which I actually have been adding more games to. I just haven't processed the articles, but there are more games coming in. But the games I'm considering having you guys play are Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom 3, Skullgirls, Dragon Ball FighterZ, Tekken, it will be Tekken 7 because I have that installed currently, but I've just been informed by my nephew that he gave me a copy of Tekken 8. So I will be actually able to play Tekken 8 pretty soon, it looks like, I think. So, yeah. I'll be able to play Tekken 8 at some point, but it might be after the tournament, so we'll figure that out as we go along. I haven't even finished the story mode of Tekken 7, okay? Tekken 7 put me to sleep because that story mode was so dang boring. Every time that the narrator in Tekken 7 started talking, I wanted to go to sleep. If I need to go to sleep, I just started playing the story mode of Tekken 7, okay? Like, I was so boring! Ultra boy, just thinking about him puts me to sleep, okay? King of Fighters, I have pretty much every King of Fighters there is on Steam. So any King of Fighters games that someone wants to play, I can open it, launch it, load it, play it in a set. I'm preferring 2002 Ultimate Match or 15, but I'm willing to play any of the others. Injustice, I have Injustice Gods Among Us, which most people have in our group, but I also have Injustice 2. Tekken story is so hard to follow, really. I thought I had understood half of it, but then they keep changing it every time I turn around. So somebody's gonna be throwing somebody into a volcano or killing off somebody who you think is dead, then they come back next game, and then they come back next game again, and then they come back next game again, and yeah, you never know who's really dead because no one. They say Heihachi's dead this time, but in Tekken 8, but I don't believe it because they said he's been dead so many times. I don't believe he's dead. And then there's also the issue about Jinpachi. I don't know if he's still alive or not. And then June, who we thought was dead for like 6 or 7 games, and she's suddenly coming back. So I don't know. Can't tell who's dead or who's alive anymore in the series. You really can't. I thought for sure June was gone. Nope, she gone. She back. She back in Tekken 8. So yeah. I haven't beat the story mode of Injustice because it's just so Mortal Kombat-y. It's just the storyline is so long. It's gonna take forever to get to the end. Dead or Alive 6, I actually have got to the end of that. I've also gotten to the end of Dead or Alive 5. And to the end of, well, kind of to the end of Dead or Alive 4, 3, 2, and 1. Because Dead or Alive Dimensions on 3DS actually walks you through the storyline of each Dead or Alive tournament. So you actually get to see most of the story from that game. I hope so. I don't know. But this is the same game that lets you fight against kangaroos and bears and training dummies. Yeah, I want to fight the training dummy again. I actually have more fun fighting the training dummy. He kicked my butt. Which Mortal Kombat? I don't know. I heard that the last few games was more of a reboot than I heard a reboot of the reboot. Like Mortal Kombat 9 was supposed to be a reboot, and then they rebooted to Mortal Kombat 1. Like, what is going on here? I don't know. I can't tell what's a reboot, what's a sequel. I don't know. Soul Calibur 6 is also an option. I also have Soul Calibur 5 and Soul Calibur 4, Soul Calibur 3, Soul Calibur 2, and Soul Calibur 1, but those aren't on multiple player platforms. I can't play those with you guys. So I could play it on the Dreamcast of 1 and 2, and I could play 2 on GameCube. I could play 3 on PlayStation 2. I could play 4 on Xbox 360, and 5 on PS4 or PS3. my Soul Calibur's all over the place, okay? I've been following this series for quite a while, okay? Aw, man. That sucks. So which one is Armageddon? I don't remember which one that was. I think the last one I played before 9 was the Deadly Alliance, so I don't know if that's the same one or not. If that was like before or after. I even played the Shaolin Monks game and the Sub-Zero game, and I still didn't know what the heck was going on. I'm not talking to you, Coffee Bot. Oh, and last choice was BlazBlue Calamity Trigger, but I think I have just about all the BlazBlue games except for Tag Battle, which Tag Battle I have on PS4 and Nintendo Switch. So if you have it on Nintendo Switch, I could actually play people in that one. Armageddon is on PS. Oh my gosh! So that means none of the PS3 Mortal Kombats are canon then? Or technically canon? Is that what you mean? From PS3 on down? Dang! It's before Deception and Armageddon. See, I would not know that. See, when they stopped using the numbers, I think with Mortal Kombat 4, which they renamed on Dreamcast or Mortal Kombat Gold, I didn't know what the heck was going on, okay? I lost track of what was what because all the numbers were gone and I couldn't tell which one was coming out in sequence anymore. It just got too hard to follow. I prefer numbered titles, like King of Fighters. For the most part, King of Fighters was like 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2002, and up to 2006, and then all of a sudden they went by numbers, like, what the heck? Different timeline. Oh, so the different dimension thing. So I remember seeing the where Raiden was going back in time and Liu Kang became a god or something. It changed the timeline again? Oh, see, I haven't played through 11. That's my thing. I could not beat 10. Oh, no. I could not beat 9 because I couldn't get past Shao Kahn. He kept kicking my ass. I gave up on him. I rage quit on him. I haven't got to play 10. I haven't got to play 11. Even though I own them, I haven't played them yet. Mortal Kombat 1 is a whole new time. Like, oh god. This thing has more timelines than the Multiverse of Madness here, okay? How many Doctor Stranges do we see in that one? 1, 2, 3. 3 or 4 Doctor Stranges in that one movie, so yeah, it's like Mortal Kombat timelines are equal to how many timelines Mortal Kombat has. My favorite fighting game is actually The King of Fighters. Specifically, The King of Fighters 1999. I like the Dreamcast version, not the PlayStation 1 version. The Dreamcast version had the best animations, the best sound, and the music for each stage was actually playing through the loading screens, which wasn't that long. And it actually felt like a smoother arcade experience, more so than the PlayStation 1 version of it, which was really slow in loading. However, the PlayStation 1 version had a special unlock system where you could actually unlock special artwork if you actually play the game as different teams. So, both of them had their charms, but when it comes down to it, I prefer the Dreamcast version. And I'm really upset that out of all of these ports I've seen on all these other platforms, that none of them have perfectly captured what it feels like to play the King of Fighters 99 Evolution on a modern console. Because all the ports I've seen all copy the PlayStation 1 version, which sucks. But yeah, King of Fighters is my favorite series, and 99 Evolution is my favorite game. In fact, that was also one of my first video game soundtracks I bought, was the one for Evolution. First anime soundtrack I bought was for Chess Pop Session. But yeah, I liked everything about that game. And it's the only one I actually really got good at. So I got that around the same time I got Capcom vs. SNK 2. So I was actually enjoying both games at the same time, and that game was actually my introduction to the entire King of Fighters universe. So I pretty much went forwards, then backwards with the King of Fighters after that. And honestly, outside of 99, I see the only ones that actually stood out are King of Fighters 2000 with their when they had so many strikers hidden in that game. It was so much fun to discover hidden characters. But then 15 was like the mother load of every freaking King of Fighters character you could possibly see. I know, I know. And plus, it's now owned by some. I don't know who owns it now. I think Coke, the Coke company, owns the SNK brand now. It's either Coke or someone in Saudi Arabia. I know they were changing hands a lot. So I don't know if there's going to be another King of Fighters game. But at least if 15 is the last one, at least they went out on a high note. And sometimes I actually buy fighting games because cameoing characters from King of Fighters. Like, I got excited about Dead or Alive 6 because it included Kula and Mai. And Dead or Alive 5 for PlayStation 4 included Mai. I'm upset that they did not include her in the PS3 version. That pissed me off because I had all my unlocks in the PS3 version. Yeah, it's all DLC. It sucks. I miss just unlocking stuff. The joy of unlocking secrets is what was actually had added to the replayability of games. I know. Everything's behind paywalls. Like, come on. It's like it doesn't really give you an incentive to keep playing it to discover new stuff, you know? It's either behind a paywall or behind a paddle pass, which is actually worse than a paywall because you have to work to earn it, and if you don't earn it in time, you don't get it, even though you pay money onto it. So yeah, I don't like battle passes either. That sucks. I think all the fighting games we have in the tournament, I played them at least once. In Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom 3, I mostly played as Phoenix Wright. Yeah, now it's crazy. And you know who started? Actually, now I think about it. At first, I thought Soul Calibur was the one who started this guest star into other guest star characters in the other games. But then I looked at it, and it turns out that Fatal Fury started this whole crossover thing. Because a secret character you could fight at the end of Fatal Fury is the star of Art of Fighting. I know, it's definitely not good, not easy to be able to play long term. Oh God, what have I done? Long term as an adult. You just squeeze it what you can. Well, I think 3 is where it peaked. Actually, no. I think 3 tries some new stuff, but I don't think it's actually going to top 2. I don't know. 2 is pretty good. 3 is pretty good. Infinite sucked. It really did. I hated Infinite. Infinite just bored me to death. Had the tiniest roster. And most of the roster was behind paywalls. And your storyline would bore me. Like, okay, who is this asshole and why am I supposed to care about him? Like, what the heck? And I didn't get it. It just didn't make any sense. So, yeah. Yep, 2 is definitely one of the best. I have played all of the Capcom vs. SNK games as well, and SNK vs. Capcom 2 was the best, but SVC Chaos was the worst. Because SVC Chaos had the tiny roster. It didn't have Mai. Actually, did it have Mai? I think it did have Mai, but Mai was the only one who was in it that I liked. It had Athena. I think it had Leona, but didn't have King. Didn't have Yuri. and it was so dark and bleak. I actually like playing the Capcom vs. SNK card game more than I like playing SBC Chaos. And they're saying something. Street Fighter vs. X-Men. Yep, you're right. Isn't that where the whole thing started? With the Capcom versus games? But as for roster, honestly, I think the best roster I've seen in a fighting game is actually, was it Street Fighter? Well, technically, if you get the full version of Street Fighter V, you actually get to play as characters from every Street Fighter up until that point. So they actually had you in a special mode. You could play as against all the characters in Street Fighter 1, and all the characters in Street Fighter 2, and all the Street Fighter 2 Turbo, and all that. But I didn't realize that they were throwing in characters that were in Street Fighter 1 when I first played it in that mode. So I was actually impressed that they were able to recreate those characters so well and make them work within the new system. Versus the button press engine they used in the original game, which did not translate too well when you played it in the Capcom Street Fighter Anniversary Collection. I'm sorry, I could not figure out how to hit hard on that. I just sucked, okay? I just kicked and punched, kicked and punched, kicked and punched. I didn't know how to add more power to it, okay? But, I think most of the Street Fighter games I've played, except for the EX game. I've even played the Street Fighter movie game, which was weird, ultra weird, because you have movie sprites of characters playing characters I'm supposed to recognize with the same movesets I'm supposed to recognize, but they look nothing like the characters I'm used to playing. Oh yeah, you're right. But they actually upgraded that to like the turbo versions or the HD versions that's going on now. I think I have the HD version of it in on PS3. That's what I do have. I do have Ultra Street Fighter 4. But Street Fighter 4, I actually rage quit on 2 because I couldn't get my ass past M. Bison. And Bison just kept laming me to death. Everything I tried, he was murdering me. It felt like he was a SNK boss instead of a Capcom boss. Like, what the hell? How the hell am I supposed to beat this guy? It was like, I did not ask for Shao Kahn levels of M. Bison here, okay? And yeah, Shao Kahn, I could never beat. It's so weird. I could beat most SNK bosses, but I can't beat Shao Kahn and MK9, and I can't beat M. Bison in Street Fighter 4. I don't know. What's wrong with me? I can handle the toughest bosses in most video games except for those two. I don't know. It's just so fair. And those SNK bosses are hard as hell, especially the landing ones like Rugal. Oh god. Rugal, you think you're safe? Nope, he'll get you at a distance and at close. And Krislin, oh god. He has, actually no, it was a Zero. Zero is the one I hated the most because Zero had a move where not only will he beat you, he lame you to death, he has a move where he actually shakes his cape at you and it looks like he's farting on you. And I was lost to the fart move. Oh yeah, exactly. Well, the M. Bison and Mortal Kombat 4 is just as tough as Shao Kahn. Okay? It was crazy. But yeah, that's why I don't like playing King of Fighters 2001, because that one boss pisses me off. And I think just to torment myself, that's the only reason I put King of Fighters 2001 on my Switch. Because I wanted something that makes me happy, which is why I got King of Fighters 2000. I think 2002? No. I don't remember. I have two King of Fighters games on there, but I forgot which one it was. 2001 was one of them, but I thought the other one was 2002, but I could be wrong. But yeah, because I have a King of Fighters game on every system, okay? Every system I have something from King of Fighters. Every one of them. Actually, I have something from SNK. No, I think I have a King of Fighters on everything. Thinking about it. Game Boy, yep, King of Fighters. Game Boy Advance, yep, King of Fighters. DS, King of Fighters Card Battles, yeah. 3DS, yeah. I don't have anything King of Fighters on 3DS. Or do I? I had to check on that. I think that's the only one I might be missing one. But not on PS2. I have a whole bunch of discs for King of Fighters. PS3 I have King of Fighters 99. PS4 I have King of Fighters 2000. And Wii I have the King of Fighters Orochi collection. And on Switch I have King of Fighters 2001. Mai, Yuri, and King. I always go for the original Team London whenever I can, even if they're not a team that year. But King is, if I had limits to one character, King. King can actually be the answer between the winning and defeating. That's why I normally save her as my last character most of the time. Like, I started off with Mai to actually learn what the opponent's going to do. I used Yuri to see if I could get some speedy hits in to weaken him. And then I used King to finish him up. That's what I usually do. And that's why I was so upset about King of Fighters 2002, because they took away King and messed up my whole system. And they took away King and King of Fighters and SBC Chaos, and they didn't add King to Gal Fighters 2 times. 2 freaking times they had games entirely with a female roster for King of Fighters characters, and they let King out of it twice. Like, what the hell, man? First you lead her out of the Game Boy, the Neo Geo Pocket Gal Fighters, then you left her out of SNK Heroines. Like, what the hell? You could put a Yori in a dress, and you could put Terry with boobs, but you can't put King, man. Like, what the hell? Come on. Maybe because King is OP, I guess. I don't know. Well, in King of Fighters, you have to use 3 characters for the whole team. It's not like one-on-one. It's three teams of 3. Or sometimes in some games, teams of 4. So you have to get 3 characters you have to get used to in your team. Now, later, actually no, there's 2 games that actually broke the 3-team format. King of Fighters 99 introduced the striker system. 2000 continued the striker system, but made the striker optional, or they actually set up where you can have a team of 4. And in King of Fighters 2002, where they went back to the 3-player system. So yeah, that's the only time it actually changed. They did have a one-on-one mode, but it's not really that popular. Mostly used for even in arcade modes, they mostly stuck with the 3-on-3 pattern. And actually, I like that best because you got to experience 3 different types of characters to actually get you more used to the game. Especially if you picked out characters that have similar movesets. Like for example, mine's fan move is the same as Hadouken. Or King's Hurricane Spin is the same as Ryu's spinning kick. Many of the moves you learn in one fighting game often pop up in other fighting game characters in other games too. So every time I play a new fighting game, I try out combos I know from other characters in other games and see if which one is going to pop up and work. Yep. I would not have gotten used to any of those Capcom characters if I didn't have that feature. Aw, no one got the Wobbuffet. But yeah, I have, if I actually count all the fighting games I've collected in all my life up until now, I think my fighting game total will be equal to my Koei Tecmo game total. I must have at least as many fighting games as I have Koei Tecmo games. Especially when at least 6 of those fighting games also came into Koei Tecmo with the Dead or Alive series. And also Dynasty Warriors 1 was a fighting game too, so that counts. And Warriors Orochi 2 also included a fighting game, included as a mini mode, so yeah. If you want to play a fighting game with Dynasty Warriors, Warriors Orochi 2 is the way to go. I could literally have Sunshine Jane fighting Lu Bu and Warriors Orochi 2. I really wish they would bring that back. All those Warriors Orochi games that they had after that weren't as fun. And that was on 360. They should have so much power to do so much more, but I don't know. They're more focused on just shoving more characters in the game than actually innovating the game. Maybe that's why I didn't like the 4th game as much. Also, because I never finished the story of the 3rd game. Nioh when? You want me to go back to playing Nioh? Are you sure about that? I have Nioh 1 and Nioh 2. I could put my PlayStation 4 options up for a vote next week and just have you guys vote on it. Nioh 1 and Nioh 2 are selections. Nioh 1 I have owned digitally, and Nioh 2 I have on disc. And I also have Wolong on Steam, which is pretty much Nioh but for the 3 Kingdoms. But I suck at a lot of these, especially Wolong. I cannot get past the first boss of Wolong. I suck. Well, as long as my capture card is working right now, I have the whole thing unplugged because it's acting so stupid. I don't know why, but it wasn't reading any input. Unless I actually had it directly plugged in. I am too, but I don't think I'll be able to play it because it looks like it's going to be a PS5 exclusive. And I'm not about to buy a PS5. I'm perfectly happy with my PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3, and PlayStation 4. I don't need a 5 right now. And I'm not going to buy a 5 just for one Koei game. I've done that too many times already. Seriously. My track history with Koei and systems are intertwined. It started with I got the Xbox 360 because I wanted to play Dynasty Warriors 6 Empires, and I did not know about PS3 at that point. And then I got the PlayStation 3 because it was the only console to have Dynasty Warriors 7 Empires. Then I had to get a 3DS because that had Samurai Warriors Chronicles. Then I had to get a Wii because that was the only place I could play Samurai Warriors 3. Then I had to get a PS4 because of Rise of Sanada. And then I just got tired. Oh, I'm sorry. Then I had to get a Switch because of Fire Emblem Three Houses, which wasn't technically a Koei Tecmo game, but it was Romance of the Three Kingdoms, okay? It was the best damn version of Romance of the Three Kingdoms there is. So I had to get it. That was the first game I actually looked forward to on the Switch because I love Romance of the Three Kingdoms so much, and that's exactly what it felt like. It felt like I was playing a anime waifu version of Romance of the Three Kingdoms. Well, I think eventually they may release it to PC, but I have to be careful because sometimes Koei's PC games are hit or miss. You guys saw how much trouble I went through just to get Berserk to work on my system. And I can't. The PS3 version of Berserk is been scalpel priced, so I can't get a decent price on that one either. Yeah, let them have the exclusives. I'm tired. I still can't play the other Spider-Man games because of the PS5 stuff. And even though I started playing Final Fantasy VII Remake on PS4, since they didn't port the second game to PS4, I'm going to have to wait till it gets to PC. But at the rate I'm going, by the time I do finish it, it probably will be on PC. Hopefully I might be able to afford it by then. But I just got tired of picking consoles and fighting with handhelds and stuff. I can't keep spending money on consoles because it's taking away money I can use on games. I want to keep building up my game collection. It's already, well, legally it's at 3,000, but if I count all my emulated games, probably about 4,000. So yeah, I got a lot. I've been collecting for quite a while. At least 2,000 in my Steam account alone. I think. At least close to it. My Steam account, my Origin account, my Humble account, my Uplay account. Oh, that reminds me. I gotta make sure my Uplay account still works because they're talking about shutting people out. That's a mousy. Gotta make sure I keep active in Uplay. Where's my Uplay? Ooh. I don't know what Uplay is. I don't look good. I don't know what Uplay's at. And they're talking about shutting down people's inactive accounts if they haven't logged in a while. So I try to remember to log in every now and then. I think I have stuff on here, don't I? Okay, the fishing game's in the way. Okay. Where is my Uplay? I know I have Uplay on here. So Uplay or Ubisoft Connect. I don't remember what they called it. Okay, I have to close the fishing game, guys. This messed me up here. I can't do anything because it's in my way. Okay. Over there. Oh dear. Okay, Ubisoft Connect. I know I had it installed. Sheesh. So yeah, look at all these. These are all my multi-game apps. So each of these has a collection within it. So I have games on my Amazon, I have games on my Battle.net, I have games on my EA account, I have games on my Epic account, I have games on my GOG account, I have games on my Humble account, I have my games on my Itch.io account, I have legacy games. I'm still trying to figure out how to get VirtualBox to work so I can actually play even older games. RetroArch, Ubisoft Connect. So yeah, I got lots of games. I'm within each platform. And you can see just on the PC alone, this is just one page of it, okay? This is just one part. I have 2 layers of it here. This is just what's installed on my computer currently. And it's not even everything because everything else is spilling onto my other monitor. What the hell, Ubisoft? Shut the hell up. Okay. God damn it, Ubisoft. God damn. Sheesh. It's 3 times it's prompting me to do something. Make me anky. But yeah, the next Koi game I actually want to play is this Wild Hearts. Because that's going to be like Monster Hunter meets Tokiden. That's what I was supposed to play earlier this week, but I just was feeling too depressed. Like Knights of Azure is still here, Samurai Warriors 5 is still here, Berserk is still here, Ninja Gaiden is still here, Fatal Frame is still here. I have lots of Koei games. I have too many Koei games. Okay, looks like my Ubisoft still logged me in. Good. Now do I still have all my games? Yep, looks like my Ubisoft games are still all here. So, Assassin's Creed Chronicles, Origins, Child of Light, Far Cry, Rayman, Rainbow Six, Watch Dogs. And most of these games got for free. Backlog go brrr. Backlog go. Help me! Help me! Play me! Oh yeah, it's just crazy. Yeah, that's my Ubisoft. And Epic, every time they have a free game on Epic, whether I'm going to play it or not, I always get that too. I'm not sure if it's going to let me open it or not, because if I don't open it in a while, it forgets who I am, and I hate that. Yep, I forgot who I am. God damn it, Epic. So, I'll worry about you later. I'm not awake, I'm just talking. I'm just talking. I do need to go to sleep though. I'm sorry. I just started talking and I just couldn't shut up. I'm talking and I can't shut up. That's what it is. Oh yeah, if I do that, then I'm never going to sleep. My collection is way too big. But pretty soon I get to uninstall the Tekken 8 demo because I'll be getting the full Tekken 8 game. So I'm happy for that. I got so many games. So many games. Yeah, I just need to go to bed. I need to go to bed. It hasn't been as strict since I've moved it to the other way down the hall where it's not so loud, but I still do need to make sure I'm asleep by the time they wake up. So let's go ahead and wrap things up. Okay, so let's see if I can close things up here. Starting off with Livespace. Okay, for the 3 of you guys watching on Livespace, I hope you guys have a good night. And I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. Bye bye, Livespace. Bye. That's my base here. Oh man, what the heck? I don't think. What's my way this time? Epic. Go away. Okay. Something's in my way. Come on. I can't click my button. Something is blocking my path. Something is blocking me and I can't push the button. Why is Repertoire still going open? Oh my gosh, I had Xena open all this time. I had Xena open the whole freaking time. Okay, so, base. Okay. There we go. Much better. Much better. Okay, so I'm gonna stop straight Livespace. And I don't know how to send people on YouTube yet, so I have to stop it pretty soon too. I need to find people on YouTube I can send people to. I would like to learn how to rate on YouTube. I just don't know how to do it yet. I don't know any of the commands on YouTube. I gotta memorize and study and learn. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. What the hell am I doing tomorrow? I forgot. What is tomorrow? If I focus on sticking to the plan, it should be Star Wars Battlefront Classic Collection and the other collection too. So yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow, hopefully. And I'm happy I got the fish to work on both platforms, so at least one thing is workable. The Sandy Mosa one I have to do a whole overhaul and have it work on all platforms. Eventually it'll work on all platforms. Give me jerky. Give me jerky. Give me jerky. I want some freaking jerky. Give me jerky. Give me jerky. I want jerky. Stop talking. I gave you some jerky. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop on YouTube now. Bye bye, YouTube. I'm gonna have to make an ending screen for YouTube soon too. Guess I have my Saturday topic to work on. I am a nut. Yes, I am. You saw that though. Jerky is one of my